Hello friends, welcome to the Wiki Notes tutorial. This tutorial will help you to learn the concept of computer organization and architecture for GATE, UGC NET PSU and University exam. Please friends press the like button and subscribe my channel. Memory hierarchy. Memory hierarchy is the hierarchy of memory and storage devices found in a computer system. It ranges from the slowest but high capacity auxiliary memory to the fastest but low capacity cache memory. Need. There is a trade-off among the three key characteristics of memory, namely cost, capacity, access time. Memory hierarchy is employed to balance this trade-off. Memory hierarchy diagram. Level 0. At level 0, registers are present which are contained inside the CPU. Since they are present inside the CPU, they have least access time. They are most expensive and therefore smallest in size. In KB, registers are implemented using flip-flops. Level 1. At level 1, cache memory is present. It stores the segments of program that are frequently accessed by the processor. It is expensive and therefore smaller in size. In MB, cache memory is implemented using static RAM. Level 2. At level 2, main memory is present. It can communicate directly with the CPU and with auxiliary memory devices through an I/O processor. It is less expensive than cache memory and therefore larger in size. In FuGB, main memory is implemented using dynamic RAM. Level 3. At level 3, secondary storage devices like magnetic disk are present. They are used as backup storage. They are cheaper than main memory and therefore much larger in size. In FuTB, level 4. At level 4, tertiary storage devices like magnetic tape are present. They are used to store removable files. They are cheapest and largest in size, 1 to 20 terabytes. Observations. The following observations can be made when going down in the memory hierarchy. Cost bit decreases. Frequency of access decreases. Capacity increases. Access time increases. Goals of memory hierarchy. The goals of memory hierarchy are to obtain the highest possible average access speed, to minimize the total cost of the entire memory system. Thank you so much friends for watching my video lectures.